How to see friend requests on BeReal. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at how to see the friend requests that other people have sent you on your BeReal account. To quickly get into the video, first open up your BeReal. Now from the home screen of BeReal, you simply tap on the human icon on the top left of the screen and make sure that you're on the request tab right here. If you tap on the request, it's going to show you all of the people that have sent you a friend request. Now until you accept them, you will not become friends with them. So if you don't want to be friends with them on BeReal, you can simply tap on this cross. If you want to be friends, then you can tap on accept. So that's how easily you can see friend requests on BeReal. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing because we upload similar kinds of videos on a regular basis. And also, in order to not miss videos, also turn on that notification. That's pretty much it for today, and I'll be back with more.